This work has been done. They can follow each other line astern, preparing for the permission to fly over the stadium. All the lights are nice and slow, so if you get your cameras ready and you look up, you'll probably be able to take a lot of good pictures of them as they overfly you. Okay, here's the first pass. Flying in staggered formation. Each ultralight has enough gasoline for about an hour and a half on flight, although these figures vary depending on the plane. Just to give you an idea, pag lumilipad po ako ng ultralight, pag nag-take off po ako ng Amazing Flying Club sa Manala, Pampanga, I have more than enough gasoline to go around Mount Araya 2 times. That's about an hour and a half worth of flying. In the area of Amazing Flying Club, you have a grass airstrip, you have an air-conditioned canteen and pilot's lounge, and visitors are more than welcome. We're approaching full. But we go there most especially for the flying. Kung kayo nagsabi na, nakita po namin yun, commercial aircraft po yan sa flight. Yeah, over lights again, and then a Pipistrel, over glider, with a Trans-Astral coming down believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, under current civil aviation requirement of the Constitution, only one attempting to localize the symbol is valid driver license. Also,
Pumunta tol.